formal definition of a circle is that it's the set of all ordered pairs that are a fixed distance, that we call the radius, from a fixed point that's called the center. In order to derive the standard form of the equation of a circle, let's take a look at this definition from a graphical perspective. So we have a fixed point that we're calling the center of the circle, and it's very common to use the ordered pair HK to represent the center of a geometric figure. So we're looking for the collection of all the XY ordered pairs that are the same distance, or a fixed distance, away from the center point. And that fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. In order to derive the standard form of the equation of the circle, which is this formula right here, we'll begin by reviewing the distance formula. As a reminder, the distance between two ordered pairs is x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. So let's apply this formula to our scenario here. So we'll find the distance between these two ordered pairs, but since we already know the value of that distance is going to be the radius of the circle, we'll say that the radius is the distance between those two ordered pairs. Let's use this first x value as the x1 quantity, and the second x value is h, so it's x minus h quantity squared plus the y value of this ordered pair minus the y value of the other ordered pair quantity squared. So this equation is representing the distance between those 2 points, and we know that distance to be r. As a reminder, we're using this formula to help us derive the standard form of the equation of a circle, and what we have currently is pretty close to what we're trying to derive. And really the only thing that we would need to do from this point would be to square both sides, and then we get r squared on the left is equal to the square root of this quantity squared. These two operators will cancel each other out, and then we end up with just the radicand, which is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared. And this, of course, is the formula that we were trying to derive. We call this the standard form of the equation of a circle that's centered at the ordered pair hk, and that has a radius that is equal to r.